copper sand, with thunder in my heart and steel beneath my hands. I've come to settle what was sworn on this empty stretch where evil was born. Out here where angels fear to ride, he's waiting with his challenge burning deep inside. Devil's in the dust tonight, racing for my mortal life. The earth is trembling at our feet, two machines of power where the way lines meet. His eyes are burning crimson red, the air grows thick with things unsaid. The starting line drawn in the sand, when time stands still across this wasted land. Devil's in the dust tonight, racing for my mortal life. Oh, hear the engine cry, yeah, watch the sparks fly. Carved by ancient rain, my faith burns brighter than his endless pain. The finish line comes into sight, my soul is pure, my grip is tight. And as the setting sun bleeds dry, I'll leave him far behind without goodbye. He thought he